welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Motivational Monday. And today we're going to be doing 5 tips to survive the first day of school. I know the first day of school can be super nerve-wracking, but these 5 tips will put you at ease and make you feel more comfortable. Number 1, have a good night's sleep. We've been out of school for a couple of months, and when you go back to school, you're going to have all this information just thrown at you, so you want your brain to be clear and ready. Tip number 2, prepare everything the night before. You want to prepare your outfits, you want to get your bag ready, and you want to have all your supplies. So in the morning, you're not rushing to find things and get scared that you miss something. Tip number 3, have a good breakfast. Don't just eat some sugary cereal. You want to eat something healthy for you, because when you eat a good breakfast, it makes you more alert and feel energized. Tip number 4, walk into school with a positive attitude. It's really nervous for you and all the other people around you for the first day. But when you have a positive attitude, it makes people around you feel more comfortable and you're more likely to make more friends because smile draw people to you. Tip number 5, have a good first impressions on your teachers. You don't want to be known as the kid that's goofing off or talking too much. Show your teachers that you're respectful, kind, and courteous, a good listener, and pays attention, and your teachers will be respectful, kind, and courteous to you. I know the first day is hard for all of us, but these 5 tips should make your first day easier for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I love you!